What's up, guys? What's up, YouTube? Welcome to our channel, Mom's Kitchen with the boys. As always, our lovely mom over here.
Hello everyone, good to see you again.
Alright guys, if you know what we're going to do today, we're going to do something called concoction rice. It's a mixture of different ingredients, very lovely rice. If you know you love this type of rice, guys, drop a like on the video. Let's get into the ingredients. Okay guys, we have our, we've cut everything finished. We have our carrots, onions.
Okay guys, so let me help Jeff. We have veggies here. This green beans, carrot, spring onion, then green bell pepper. Yes, here we have our butter, seasoning, onion, then cabbage.
Then we have our blended fresh pepper.
Yeah. So
and salt. So that's pretty much all. So
we have, now there's chicken. No rice without chicken. So this is our chicken.
We seasoned it, we've boiled it.
I've put garlic, ginger, blended garlic and ginger, then fresh pepper and turmeric and seasoning. So then I boil it. Okay, so now we are going to be frying our veggies. So please Jeff, get the pan. So friends, this is our butter. In the other pan we'll be frying our chicken. Let's get cooking. Easy. Green beans. You start with the veggies that will stay long on fire.
Carrots will cook first.
No? No, I will still put carrots. No. It's healthy. You have to eat. If you have, for me, if I'm cooking rice, I use a lot of veggies. I like it so much. But that's the only way I can keep cooking healthy. Fresh pepper, blended pepper. So I'm okay. Then I add my seasoning. Then my signature turmeric. Finish. Stir it very well. At this point, I'm going to be adding my chicken stock. Give it a proper stir. Mix it very well. Burning. Oh no. It's fine. I'm adding the rice. Okay. I'll add water to it. This is hot water. Be careful. So I'll be adding the water gradually. That will be all for now. Cover your pots. Okay. I forgot to add salt, so I'll be adding salt, just a little. Okay. Then you stir it and check if the salt is. Actually, this rice is just going to look like fried rice. I like cooking it this way also. I like cooking this kind of rice because it's easy to make and it's very nice and nourishing because we have, as you can see, we have a lot of vegetables. So guys, this particular today video is mainly for our teacher. Our teacher is my children teacher, so I want to surprise them with taking lunch to them. Please, I just want to use the opportunity to advise people. Be nice to your teachers. Be nice to them. Teachers, they are really trying. It's not easy at all. It's not. So encourage them whichever way you can encourage them. Like me, I like cooking. My video is about cooking. That's why I'm taking food to them. So in any way you can encourage them. You understand? So you do it, and especially this, they're getting to Christmas season, so you're already at the season. So share, give out, so that people will be happy. Most especially the ones that don't have, give to them, and you see, they will be very happy. See you later. So friends, I'm going to be putting the cabbage. the rice. Jeff, Abby.
What?
And so you allow it to cook. Just turn the heat down. Okay. Then you cover it. Cover it to cook. Okay. Okay, friends. So, ta-da! Oh my gosh! Look at it. Please let me handle this. Okay. Okay. So, just mix it like this. Gently. Don't get up. So the rice is ready, as you can see. Jeff, you're not saying anything.
I'm watching.
How does it look? Like?
It looks like rice.
Like normal rice we normally eat. Or like fried rice. You know?
That rice is a little bit greenish. But yeah, it's yellow.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. But the good thing about it is that it's very delicious. It's delicious. Love mixing it up. We're going to leave it for about 2 to 3 minutes. It has a lot of oil. Like I should pick up my spoon and start making justice to this. Okay. Alright. Here's the plantain. Okay. Keeps it fine. Does that golden color? Proper Nigerian rice with dodo. Nigeria, you cannot eat rice without dodo or beans. I remember that place, home sweet home. Okay.
Oh guys, we are done with the dish, and as you can see, look at it.
Ta-da!
Alright guys, as you can see, you
Off.
can see the chicken. It's looking crispy, it's a little bit brown, but that's how it's like, yeah, it will have this crunch to it. So yeah, guys, that's it. Yeah, crunch more. Crunch. So make sure to like, this is lovely.
Please.
This is lovely. Make sure to like, leave a comment probably. Yeah guys, that's it for this video. Anything else?
You can see I'm parceling it.
She's packaging it.
Packaging it, okay. I'll package it to take it to the.
If you read this far,
like,
give a thumbs up.
Yes.
Yeah.
Comment, please. Very, very important.
And yeah, don't forget to stay healthy, eat healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.
Please share this video. Share it, let it go viral. Please. Thank you so much.
Peace.